Meaning of house hunter.
House hunter.
House hunter.
House hunter.
House hunter. A house hunter is a person who is actively searching for a place to live, typically a house or apartment. This can be done through a variety of methods, including working with a real estate agent, searching online listings, or driving around neighborhoods looking for rent signs. House hunters may have specific criteria in mind, such as location, number of bedrooms, or price range. The goal of a house hunter is to find a suitable and desirable place to call home, and the process can often be time-consuming and challenging, but ultimately rewarding.